Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo. I'm a student at the Full-Stack Web Developer Bootcamp at SocraTech, and I'm here today to show you the results of an exciting 8-week journey so far. I've been asked to design a web application with JavaScript, web design with CSS, Sass, and Bootstrap, but now we've also connected it to an SQL database, and we've worked with Node.js for the creation of servers, routes, and controllers. So let me show it to you. I hope you like it. We were asked to design an application that allowed different bands to announce the concerts they will be performing, enabling them to promote their performances. The system then will manage different bands and the performances they want to announce. We started by designing the diagram in draw.io. Then we went to our SQL, to MySQL, and then we set up the tables. We created the database, bands, with both tables. And now these are the entity and the tables created with the entity relationship between them. And this is the home page. It's a list of all the bands that are already in our database. Some examples. We have some searching options at the top, searching by concerts by town, and then we can search by group name. For example, we can search by group name. We can have certain limited information if we click on the More button. Description of the band, plus concerts listed on one side. Then we can search, for example, in Malaga, with the same, how many concerts we've got in Malaga. We are picking up all the information from the two tables within every card. A band has the option to register themselves, filling out the login, the register formula. Just for example, let's do an example. That will be the description. We can check, we can select our musical style. We can add a picture if we wanted to. Okay. We can access that site. So if we access our file, now we're in. And we have more options here. We can edit our profile. So now, for example, let's imagine we wanted to change just new description. And we want to then update our musical preference in musical style. And we can attach a picture. So it's, for example, let's choose this one. And then accept. Then we have all updated data here. We have set buttons for logical delete. So, for example, this in our database, this will not delete the information, but set the field is deleted instead. It's a Boolean. It's a Boolean field, so it will change it to true, and we'll change it from 0 to 1, and then this is completely delete the record from the database. Then on this side, we can add concerts. So imagine, for example, we want to set a concert in Malaga and Rosaleda, and then, that's tomorrow, for example, then at which time we want to play the concert. And we could attach another, that's optional for an image. Then we click on accept, and we have the same options. We can edit information, we can delete logically, or we can definitely remove from the database. If we click on logout, then that will go back to the main screen, and any user simply will see limited information with no further options. Okay. The design is made responsive. So this is a web design, but let me show you how it will look like. That's the tablet side. So tablet will be looking at like this. There's a navbar collapse at the top. And if we move to the mobile responsive, mobile view, we have the box at the top, and then we have the same functionality. That's the private view with no access done. If we use the login options at the top, that's the same list, the same test that they've done before. We have the options here. Okay. We can edit, so all the forms up and down are made responsive, all of them. We can log out, we can register. We can do a tablet view at the top. And now let me show you what we've done, for example, in Visual Studio. We have our routes. We started by setting up routes and controllers for our index. We have our bands and our performances. These are the routes for controllers, for example, for performance controllers, yes, performance controllers, and we have the routes here. So we have for deletion, for logical deletion, then we have for the get and post for getting information for edition of concerts. Then we have the forms for registering performances, the search results, and same happens with the bands and its controllers with all the logic here on one side, okay? Calling the different libraries at the top. We have bcrypt for encrypting the passwords. We have Multa for storing files in our database. And this is basically so far, really. So it's, as I said before, it's just 8 weeks since we started the journey in the bootcamp, but incredible what we've been able to achieve so far in such a short period of time. So I hope you all like it. I'll keep learning, definitely, to make improvements in the future, and React coming next. So hope to show it to you all soon in my next project. See you. Bye-bye.